What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about metadata. That's right, metadata. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about metadata. There's a lot of things online talking about song metadata. You hear a lot of influencers talking about it, but nobody is really breaking down exactly what metadata is. So look no further. That's what I'm here for. Let's dive over to the computer and check this out. All right, fam. So I get a lot of questions about metadata, what exactly it is. So this is what it is right here. Let's go. What is metadata? Metadata refers to the information and descriptive details associated with a piece of content, such as a song, video, or image. It provides context and additional information about the content, helping to organize, categorize, and identify it accurately. In the context of music, metadata typically includes your song title, artist name, every artist that's featured on the song. The album title, if this song is a part of an album, you're going to make sure you put the album title in the metadata. The release date, the genre or genres of music it may fall under. The track number, if this song is part of an album, you want to make sure that you put the track number. The duration, the composers, the lyricist or lyricist, the producers. Make sure you're giving the producers the credit. Your ISRC. This is a unique identifier for the recording used for tracking and reporting purposes. Copyright information. Details about the copyright holder and the copyright year. Label information. The name of the record label associated with the release. Your BPM, your beats per minute. The mood or style of the song, some key words that may be descriptive about the record, how the record makes you feel. Metadata is essential for organizing and managing digital music collections, as well as ensuring accurate identification and distribution of content on streaming platforms, radio, and other media outlets, and enables searchable, proper crediting, accurate reporting, and improves the overall user experience when interacting with music. I'm telling you, man, metadata is very, very simple to do, but it's vital when releasing songs. Yes, sir. See, metadata isn't that difficult to understand. It's kind of the things you already are incorporating in your songs, that you're already incorporating when you're releasing music. I just had to break it down so everybody could be on the same page, so everyone would know. Hey, be sure to head over to my website, mixedbygels.com. Download this metadata ebook, man. Share it with everybody you know. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, man. Share the knowledge. Let's talk about metadata in the comments below. It's a very, very, very important thing when you're releasing any type of content, man, that metadata. Hey, but enough of me talking, man. I'll catch you on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.